In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TradingView Premium for free in 2025 using the official 30-day trial. We'll walk through where to find the trial, how to activate it, and how to cancel in time so you're not charged. Interface labels can shift slightly over time or by region, but the process stays the same. First, head to the TradingView homepage. On desktop or mobile, look for a clear button that says, Try 30-day free trial or upgrade now. 30 days. You'll usually find it near the top of the site or in the pricing section. If it's not immediately visible, open the pricing menu from the navigation bar. The trial prompt appears next to the plan options. Click that button to open the premium trial page. Here, you'll see a comparison of plans. Choose the premium plan so you can test everything TradingView offers during the trial. Take a moment to review what's included and confirm the billing cycle and currency shown for your region. Those are the settings that would apply if you continue after the trial. If you're not signed in, TradingView will prompt you to sign in or create an account during checkout. Next, enter your payment details if required. Depending on your location, TradingView may accept a card, PayPal, or other methods. You won't be charged today for the trial. Some providers place a small temporary authorization hold to verify the account, and it usually disappears automatically. Pay close attention to the trial end date displayed on this page so you know exactly when billing would begin if you decide to keep premium. When you're ready, click Start Free Trial to activate your premium features. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you may also receive a confirmation email. From here, enjoy the tools that make premium powerful. Multiple charts in a single layout to compare markets side by side, more simultaneous alerts so you don't miss key moves, expanded indicator limits for deeper analysis, and faster data updates. Use this time to build and save chart layouts, test your strategies, and decide whether the upgrade truly improves your workflow. To avoid being charged after 30 days, go to Settings, then Billing, before the trial ends, and cancel the subscription. The cancel option is straightforward. Confirm the cancellation, and you'll keep premium access until the trial expires, with no further charges. It helps to note the exact expiration date and set a quick reminder a day or two before, just in case. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.